DCP Mix Study channel, all students welcome. Video starts. First question. Tom to read a newspaper now. Option A reads. Option B is reading. Option C read. Option D has read. Correct answer option B is reading. G. Yes, correct answer. Description. The adverb now means that the action is taking place at the moment of speaking. In this case, we should use the present continuous tense am is are plus verb plus ing. Next question. Jill to work in a hospital. Option A is working. Option B works. Option C work. Option D has worked. Right answer option B works. G. Correct answer. Description. When we talk about things in general, permanent situations and states or things which happen, sometimes we use the present simple tense he, she, it plus verb plus yes and es. All question most students. Third question. Oh no, we are late. They to go or already out. Option A already go. Option B are already going. Option C have already gone. Option D already gone. Correct answer option C have already gone. G. Yes, correct answer. Description. The action in this sentence has been completed recently and we see the quiz result of it in the present. In this case, we should use the present perfect tense has or have plus verb ed and irregular the adverb already should be placed between the auxiliary verb to have and the verb with ed or in past participle. Most question. Next question, students. All question most. Sarah to cook 30 pancakes today. Option A cook. Option B is cooking. Option C cooks. Option D has cooked. Correct answer option D has cooked. G. Yes, correct answer. Description. We can use the present perfect to talk about a past action that has a quiz result. In the present, Sarah cooked 30 pancakes earlier and we are going to eat them now as a quiz result, or they are on the table and we can see them on the plates. Next question, all question most students. The climate to change rapidly nowadays. Option A is changing. Option B changes. Option C has changed. Option D is changed. The climate to change rapidly nowadays. Right answer Option A is changing. G. Correct answer. Description. We use the present continuous to describe things which are in the process of changing, i.e., trends. With this use of the present continuous, we often use time expressions like now, nowadays, at the moment, etc. We form the present continuous with am, is, or plus the ing form of the main verb is, watching, going, eating, smiling, etc. Next question. All question most students. I never or to be to span. First option was never. Second option am never being. Third option have never been. Fourth option am never. I never or to be to span. Correct answer option C. Have never been. G. Correct answer. Description. When we talk about a period of time that continuous from the past until now, we use the present perfect. Have been to is equal to visited. Thus, the test sentence means that I have never visited Spain. Our question most students. Next question. He to get up at 8 o'clock every day. Option A has got up. Option B is getting up. Option C gets up. Option D get up. He to get up at 8 o'clock every day is right answer. Option C gets up. G. Yes, correct answer. Description. When we talk about things in general, permanent situations and states or things that happen sometimes, we use the present simple tense. We add s or es to verbs if we use pronouns he, she, it. Next question. All question most. You always or to talk too loud. Option A always talk. Option B are always talking. Option C have always talked. Option D are always talked. G. Right answer option B are always talking. G. Correct answer. Description. Precedes some usual use of the present continuous to talk about first event which are in progress of the moment of speaking, or second temporary states which are true around the moment of speaking. Third, about future arrangements, we often use the present continuous with the adverbs of indefinite frequency always, constantly and forever to describe events which are regular but often not wanted. Illinois always calling we. Early in the morning, it's always raining in London. Carolina is great. She is always laughing, but sometimes we use the present continuous to criticize someone's evening habits, and when we want to show that something happiness too often and we do not like it. She is forever being left. He is constantly sulfuring his coffee. Why is it always raining in Bogar? Next question. Look your puppy to swim. Option A swims. Option B is swimming. Option C is swimming. Option D swim. Looks your puppy to swim is right answer. Option C is swimming. G. Correct answer. Description. If we use the imperative form of the verb look, look, we want someone to look at something surprising or interesting, or call someone's attention to what we are going to say. Look, that's Robin. The last sentence, your puppy to swim, the speaker draws someone's attention to the puppy. As it is direct speech, we understand that something is in progress at the moment of speaking. Thus, we need the present continuous tense in the text sentence. For the present continuous, we use am or is plus the ing form of the verb when the verb ends in a vowel followed by a single consonant, and if the last syllable is stressed, then the consonant is doubled. The verb swim ends is a vowel followed by a single consonant in, and the last syllable is stressed. Thus, swim, swimming. Therefore, we are to choose answer third. All question most students. Next question. We all know that the earth to be round. Option A has been. Option B is being. Option C is. Option D is be. We all know that the earth to be round. Answer is option C. Correct answer is. Description. Generally, we use the present simple to describe the present activities or to talk about routines or habits, but also we use the present simple tense when we talk about general and universal truth and laws of nature. The moon orbits the earth turns 360 every day. The oceans are deep and cold. Antarctica is covered with ice. To form a declarative sentence in the present simple, we need the subject of the sentence is I, you, he, a dog, and the verb is be in the present form talk, swim. the subject plus the verb present form. Therefore, we are to choose answer third is we all. Now that the earth is round, that states the universal truth. Thanks for watching, students. Like, share, subscribe.